Te Tiriti o Waitangi is being made more complicated than it actually is. And so the thing that I try and measure myself against is whether my babies understand what I'm talking about. This is how me and my babies understand Te Tiriti o Waitangi to be. Article 1, hara mai Pākehā, hara mai ki roto o Aotearoa, mā mātou koutou e tiaki, mā koutou anō koutou e kāwana, right? That's it, because we already had absolute tino rangatiratanga over our thing. So this is not about us, this is about us letting you come in here. Article 2, kaua e raweke I wā tātou taonga, wā tātou whenua, te reo, wera mea, kaua e raweke. Haere koe te whakarite I a koe anō, waiho e nei mea kia nā mātou, right? Don't touch our shit, none of our shit, right? That's Article 2. Article 3, your queen has sent people over here because you're being unruly huas. So this is all happening because you can't sort yourselves out. This treaty is about you sorting your own shit out. While this is happening, she, in her mana, is going to treat us as equal citizens. Mana orite. So taku pātai ki aku tamariki, when we were talking about Article 1, she goes, mā rātou anō rātou e kāwana. This is 9-year-old, ai. But kei te he tērā? I said, how te take kei te he? Well, ko rātou kei te kāwana I a mātou. Even she gets it. And I said, okay, pēhea te atikara tuarua. Well, kua pā rātou I wā tātou rawa, I wā tātou tapu tapu, I te reo. And the boy that's fiery goes, they've stolen all of those things they weren't meant to touch. So that's simple, it's very simple. And we've come to overcomplicate a lot of things, but this is why we have to fight. How is it that they've assumed to govern over us? That's wrong. How is it that they've come in and stolen everything of ours to the point where we're having to go grovel to ask for it back? That's wrong. We're not treated as equal citizens, we're treated as second-class citizens in this country. That's wrong. So when those things are all wrong, what do? You can't sit around and just let it happen. You've got to fight for it.